Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a very simple womb meditation which has transformed my life. If we've not met, my name is Joss of Wild Womb. I'm a yoga therapist. I help people get empowered with their bodies, align with their feminine energy, find their confidence, their joy, their pleasure, and I'm so happy you're here. So please like and comment and subscribe, stay connected. This is just one of many practices that you can explore. This womb meditation will tap into your heart to uterus meridian. So you will focus on sending the energy of your heart, the qualities of compassion, kindness, and love down this powerful meridian into your womb space. If you're watching this and you don't have a physical womb, this is still an incredibly powerful meditation. If you're new to this meditation is your perfect starting point. Some of the reasons that you'd want to explore this meditation are for fertility. If you're struggling with some kind of womb challenge, such as maybe period cramps or PCOS, endometriosis, or perhaps fibroids or cysts. Overall, this is a meditation to build loving awareness with your womb, start releasing the heavy stuff, the heavy thoughts, the feelings, the trauma, and find this beautiful connection. So this becomes a space that houses compassion, kindness, love, light flowing energy. So just a disclaimer, this isn't a meditation that you do once, okay? Your body and your nervous system really love the repetition when it comes to this stuff. I highly recommend try doing it every single day. When I started doing these sorts of meditations and this sort of natural yoga healing, I was someone who had like really horrible period cramps, connection to my body with anxiety, with depression, my sexuality. And honestly, as I started to do these really simple practices, everything transformed for me. So please trust that these new positive habits that you invite into your life will have a very profound impact on your health, your happiness, your emotional wellness. Let's get started. Your womb meditation could be done seated, but if you prefer, you could lie down. So always check in with your body and align with your energy. If you're feeling exhausted, there's no point in sitting up and pushing yourself into somewhere that you don't want to be. I'll also recommend that you turn off any notifications, close doors, dim lights, and just really set the scene. Whenever you have like a beautiful intention behind whatever you're doing, it becomes so much more powerful. So focus as much of your awareness on this meditation as you can. This meditation will be a little bit of gentle movement to start from seated. But of course you could be lying down, and then we'll go right into the heart to womb meditation. Starting to take a few little circles. Maybe you kind of feel your hands on your body as you do this. So you're kind of circling through your pelvic bowl, noticing how that feels. If you notice a spot of tension, maybe you stay there and you kind of breathe for a moment. And then go the other way, notice how that feels in your body. If you're lying down, maybe just rocking your pelvis up and down a little bit. Okay. So from here, I'll invite you to start to rock forward and back, kind of like a seated cat-cow. Maybe even bring your hands onto your hip points and rock forward, slight arch in your back, and then rock back, maybe even grabbing your ankles. Round through your spine, tuck your chin, and then come back up. Okay, so any amount. Just noticing that you're building this connection with your pelvis, with your womb. And now bringing your breathing in a little bit. So when you inhale, come forward, lift through your heart. And when you exhale, come back. A few more times. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. 2 more times. invite you to charge your hands up now. So just rubbing your hands together. And imagine you're filling your hands up with the energy of compassion and love and kindness. And then bringing your hands onto your body, okay? So maybe starting low, start at your feet. Just kind of move your hands up and down a few times. The trick is to be very conscious as you're doing this. So if you notice you've got racing thoughts, you're like looking around, really feel the sensation of touch, okay? So very slowly move up your legs. Notice every sensation. I'm bringing compassion and love and kindness into my beautiful body. Notice how that feels for you. And then bringing your hands further up your body, maybe to the sides, maybe through the arms. I like to imagine like a magical potion, and I'm covering my body with this kindness, this love. Go onto your head now, like you're showering yourself in this love, this magic, this compassion. And then I'll invite you to open through your palms and take a moment to hover over your breasts or touch your hands to your breasts. And bring all of your awareness down here. So we're sort of bringing your energy, your awareness, your focus into your breasts and your heart space. So the hands are here. If you aren't someone who likes to stay still, this is okay. I'm the same, so you could be rocking forward and back. Feel all of your awareness in your breasts now, all coming down here. Notice an inhale. Notice an exhale. Now start to feel your breasts with this shining, beautiful healing light in all directions. Everything is focused here. Notice how that feels. From here, take a moment to swirl that energy around. So with your fingertips either touching skin or just hovering, lift up through the center of your chest and then out. So you're tracing a little circle here. Inhale up and around, exhale down. Inhale up and around, exhale down. Start to think about how much power you hold here. So you hold your chest high, beautiful and strong as you do this. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Last one, breathing up and down. From here, I'll invite you to bring your hands in any way that you like over your heart space. And we'll take about 5 breaths here. So start to feel the sensation of touch. Notice your pelvis grounded down, but your spine is lengthening up. Relax through your shoulders. Relax through your jaw. And then take an inhale. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Notice a tiny healing light in the center of your heart and keep your awareness here for 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. From here, I will invite you to bring your right hand over your womb space, so just below your belly button. Keep your left hand over your chest and start to visualize this golden thread, which is from your heart to your uterus or your womb space. This is a very powerful meridian, and think of it as you are actually sending the qualities from your heart down into your womb. We'll take 9 breaths. Inhale up to your heart. Exhale down the golden thread, awareness to your womb. Pause here. How does it feel to be in your womb right now? What does it look like? Inhale back up to your heart. Pause. Exhale down to your womb. Feel your womb lighting up with compassion, love, kindness. Notice the colors, the sensations. Inhale, heart. Exhale down to your womb. Breathe at your own pace, up and down. Feel a flow of energy like a soft flowing river. Breathe up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. This time, as you exhale, bring both hands down over your womb space. You could do a downward triangle. This is the Yoni Mudra. Yoni is Sanskrit for womb. And then feel again the sensation of touch. Notice how that feels to bring all of your awareness into your womb. We're going to pause here to breathe. And I'll invite you, if not already, to close your eyes or have a soft gaze as you lower your chin. Relax through your jaw, soften through your shoulders. Okay, bring a healing light into the center of your womb. How does that look and how does that feel? Take a moment to notice the sensations in your womb right now, welcoming anything that might be there with no judgment. Notice the colors and the sensations in this space. Notice the temperature. Is it warm? Is it hot? Is it cold? Does this space feel open or closed? Now taking a moment to breathe kindness, compassion, and love here. Notice how that feels. I'm breathing compassion. I'm breathing kindness. Take a moment to say, I see you and I love you. You could say this out loud. I see you and I love you. Thank you for being here. I'll invite you to gently release from this pose now. You could come into an anchor pose to close this meditation up. So this could look like a self-hug, something that makes you feel safe and anchored. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for connecting, for sending love to your body. And remember that there's no judgment. So whatever you noticed, or if you found it difficult, or your mind is racing, that's part of the practice. That's perfectly normal. Keep coming back. Okay, take one last little squeeze, a little hug to yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And release. Thank you so much. You're doing wonderful. Keep going. Keep inviting these positive new habits in, and watch your health, your wellness, your joy, your confidence transform.